Hey guys, I just wanted to bring this deal that I saw. I picked up my papers this morning and I was looking through the Kmart ad and I was looking at the Cottonelle deal that they have. They have the Cottonelle 12 big rolls of bath tissue for $4.99, and right above that it says members get $3 off instantly when you buy 3 participating products, and one of those 3 participating products is the Cottonelle toilet paper right there. So if you buy 3 of those products, you'll get $3 off instantly. So that's pretty good. To make the deal even better, there was a printable coupon for $1 off of Cottonelle toilet paper. So this coupon does say do not double, but if your Kmart will double it for you, you could get a pretty sweet deal on toilet paper. So if this coupon doubles, the toilet paper will be $2.99 for a 12 roll, 12 count. And if you buy 3 of those, you will pay $8.97 with the double. And they are saying that you'll get $3 off instantly if you buy the 3. So $3 off of that will make it $5.97. So that actually comes out to $1.99 for each 12 roll of toilet paper. That's pretty good. But like I said, the coupon does say do not double, but if your Kmart will allow you to use that coupon and double it, you'll get a pretty sweet deal on the toilet paper. I haven't tried it yet. I just saw that. I don't know if it'll work, but I just thought I'd share. Let me know if you guys have any luck with this. Thanks.